Hello, Longisa. I'm going to make chicken salad. Maybe the Mian style. I don't know. Cucumber, cilantro, jalapeno, tomato, lettuce, some this. Add some lime. This brand. I don't know the right here. This brand. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna put a little bit this fish sauce, crab sauce. I'm not gonna put salt. People could put some of this if they want Senegal mix, but I'm gonna use lap powder. I'm gonna use the whole bag. This. Oh, maybe too salty, huh? Okay, let's mix, 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 mix. Okay, let's give it a try. Mmm, so good. Mmm, ooh, spicy, spicy, spicy. Mmm. Thank you. Bye bye.